In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and save an image from Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project or creating content, sometimes you need to save images from a document. I'll guide you through this simple process step by step so that you can effortlessly save those images directly to your computer. First, you'll want to open the Google Docs file that contains the images you'd like to save. Make sure you're logged into your Google account and have the document ready. This is as straightforward as navigating to your Google Drive, finding your document, and clicking to open it. Once your document is open, you'll be able to view all the images embedded within the text. Next, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of the page. You'll see several options like File, Edit, View, and so on. Click on the File option. This will open a drop-down menu with various commands. Hover over Download in this menu to see more file format options for downloading your document. Here you'll select Web Page, .html, zipped. This step essentially prepares your document for download by converting it into a zipped folder, which will include not just your document's text but also all of its images. After selecting the Web Page option, a zipped folder with the same name as your document will automatically download to your computer. You'll typically find it in your Downloads folder, but this could vary based on your browser settings or if you've designated a different destination for downloaded files. Once you've located the zipped folder, you'll need to extract its contents to access the images. Depending on your operating system, this process can vary. On most systems, it's as easy as right-clicking the zipped folder and selecting Extract All or Unzip. If you're using a Mac, double-clicking the file will usually do the trick. Extracting the files will create a new folder in the same location, filled with the contents your document's been converted into. Now, inside this newly created folder, you'll see various files and folders. Look for one labeled Images. When you open this folder, you'll find all the images from your Google Docs document neatly organized and ready for use. You can now view, edit, or save these images as you wish. And there you have it, a straightforward method to save images from Google Docs directly to your computer. We hope you found this guide helpful and it makes your next project that much easier. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips.